Okay, we're covering IBRX today because there is a new harmonic pattern that has developed on the chart, and we're getting close to 2 points in time that you need to know about if you're trading IBRX or Immunity Bio. Now, in the last video that I did, we recognized that there was a nice rising wedge that executed the price down off this really nice ripper. Now, full disclosure, I do own shares of IBRX, and I was speculating about how I would like to see this cup and handle or something of that nature kind of form on IBRX before we start to see this thing really start taking off again. Now, we still do kind of have this cup and handle. I'm just going to go here and delete that. But you guys can see it's kind of more on a conservative basis here. There is a little cup and handle that is kind of formed. Now, one thing that I've found interesting is that these lows keep getting higher and higher, and it seems like we've got some nice resistance points right around this $6.47 level. So this could be what is called an ascending triangle. Also, from the last video, we'd never had this harmonic pattern here, and I do think that we could be gearing up to see the price make a run based off this harmonic, this red one, back up to about the $7.70 level. Now, there still is this harmonic pattern that is still in play. So it'll be interesting to see if the price comes back down to this $3.62 level at some time. But going forward, I'm not as concerned about this now with this formation of this other harmonic pattern. So let's just check out what Chart Forecaster has to say about IBRX. And you guys can see that I've got it up here. And also, if you've made it this far, stick around because I'm going to be giving you guys a free 3-day trial, no credit card needed, no bullshit, for chartforecaster.com. So we've ran the calculations, and you guys can see how well of a job this thing does at predicting future market moves. And it does this by trying to calculate the markets, and it can figure things out 9 days in advance. So here's a 4-hour chart here. It basically said that we'd get ready to see a reversal, market low or high here on this candle, and boom, price came up and reversed to the upside. Here it was saying that watch out for bullish or bearish momentum would start building. More volatility would hit here. And then it was saying right here, interestingly enough, that we'd see peak momentum. So if you're trading this 4-hour chart and you knew that price is heading up, okay, this is going to be the area of peak momentum. Price got slapped right back down. Here was a very nice instance of where the price tried to break out, but Chart Forecaster knew 9 days in advance that it wasn't happening. So with that said, and you can kind of see the cup and handle here a little better on this chart. But nonetheless, it's saying to watch for bullish or bearish momentum to start building on February the 5th, and to watch out for volatility spikes, pauses, and reset or breakouts on February 9th. So hopefully, Thursday is where we start to see this thing maybe start to take off to these upper levels. That would be nice, or maybe start to emerge and then maybe break out here during this volatility spike or breakout point on Monday. Is that Monday, February 9th? So Monday's open 1300 UTC time. We'll just round it up to 1300. February 5th is when we're looking for that bullish or bearish momentum to really kick in here, guys, and I'm hoping it does because I've got quite a few shares that I'll probably take some profit right around that 750 $775 ish range if it gets up that high. But for now, that's my take on IBRX. And there is also, in addition to what I was just talking about, you can kind of see that there is this symmetrical triangle squeeze that seems to be happening, and really almost as if it's pointing right to that February 5th date. So it'll be interesting to see what exactly happens here going into February 5th. As far as I'm concerned, this would be a great looking bull pennant, and I would love to see the price go up for the next leg. So, we could be seeing this Elliott wave theory pattern very, very early on. So this could be a very nice run. Bear with me 1 second here. Not sure why that's not showing up. This could be, there we go. This could be a very nice run of what's called Elliott wave theory to the upside. So this is kind of what I'm looking for, especially if the price breaks about this $8.23 cent range. Now, to get your free 3-day trial, all you got to do is go to chartforecaster.com, sign up, and enter at the bottom of the sign up free trial number 3. That'll get you 3 free days, no questions asked. And if you like what you're playing with, there's also a promotion right now, 50% off the first month on a 3-month membership, bringing it down to like $25 for 3 months. You get access to a lot of stocks, a lot of metals, a lot of crypto. And as you guys can see, it does a pretty good job, really honing in on, sometimes it gets it right down to the minute. Sometimes it's within an hour or two, but we can kind of gear the markets and kind of understand that, hey, these are important dates and times, maybe within a 1 to 3, 4 hour period that we need to really be careful of. So we'll see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to sign up. We'll see you guys. Peace.